In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate an API into your WordPress site in just 5 minutes. Before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard to follow along with ease. The integration process might seem a bit technical at first, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you step by step and make it as straightforward as possible. Now that you're logged into your WordPress admin panel, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the plugins section. On the left-hand menu, you'll see the plugins option. Go ahead and click on that to open up your plugin management area. This section is crucial because plugins are essentially the extensions that will allow us to customize and enhance our WordPress capabilities. Once you're in the plugins area, you want to look for the Add New button. It should be located near the top of the page. Click on Add New to start the process of adding a new plugin. The plugins repository will now be available for you to search through. In the search bar on this page, type in wp-get-api. This plugin is specifically designed to make integrating APIs into WordPress much simpler. After searching, the next thing you'll need to do is locate the plugin named wp-get-api from the list of results. This is the tool we'll be utilizing today, so find it and click on it for more options. You're almost there. Now, the next step is to install this plugin. You'll see an Install Now button. Click on it to begin the installation process. Installation might take a few moments, so be patient while it does its thing. Once installation is complete, the same button should now present the option to activate. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable the wp-get-api plugin on your website. With the plugin activated, you should now see a new menu item labeled wp-get-api in your WordPress admin sidebar. Click on this new menu item to open the wp-get-api management section. Once you're in the management hub, you'll see a setup option. Click Setup to begin configuring your API. Now, inside the setup, it's time to bring your API into WordPress. You can enter any necessary API keys or endpoint URLs here, depending on what your particular API requires. This section allows you to define and customize how your API will interact with your site, giving you the potential to pull in and display data as needed. And there you have it, the process to integrate an API into your WordPress site using the wp-get-api plugin. With these steps, you've unlocked a powerful way to extend the functionality of your site, allowing it to interact with other web services seamlessly. Thank you for joining me today, and happy integrating.